Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download God of War in just 80 MB in your Android device. The process is pretty simple, you just have to follow the steps shown in the video. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you will never miss any update from the channel. Now without doing any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your browser and here search for God of War Andro Palace. Here you will see many websites, but you have to tap on the first website. Once the website will be loaded, scroll down below and here tap on the download links. Here you will see many links to download the game, but you have to tap on the first link, that is from Rackety website. Close the pop-up ad and here tap on the download button. And you will go to the download option. Click on OK and your game will be start downloading. Once your downloading will be completed, go to your downloads and install the game. I have already installed it, so I will show you the gameplay of the video. So guys, this is the gameplay of the video. As its size is 80 MB, so its graphic will be also like the 80 MB games. But the story of this game is like Ghost of Sparta. So guys, that's all for the video and I will see you in the next one.